Alright, so this is a product test on a Gree dehumidifier. I had an Aprilaire 1850 in the home. It lasted about 4 years and then the compressor went out. So I thought I'd go ahead and try a regular Gree lower end dehumidifier, which is piped directly into the drain, to see how this dehumidifies just the basement. Just the basement. You can see it's on non-stop. It's reading 65. I came off the side of the unit and ran to an open site drain, and the unit has continuous power. By hooking it up to the open site drain, you won't have to empty out the bucket inside it, and it'll go ahead and remove more humidity. So let's see where it goes from here.